Hi.
Say hi, guys.
Hi. Hi, guys.
All right, so we have a video for you guys. Me and Camille went to the hair store, and she wanted to help me do a haul for you guys. So what do we have here? Oh, that's a really big bag. Can you hold that?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So how do you want to do it? Let's put it on this. Let's sit it down. And I'm going to pull the things out, and you're going to show them what we got, okay?
All right.
First thing.
Got,
What do you think that is?
we got a couch.
That is not a couch. It's a cap. It's actually a kid's shower cap, but the texture of it is so like soft and silky. I think it can be doubled as a bonnet. So we're going to use that on her head. Let's go ahead and test one out. Which one you want to put on? The white one or the pink one?
The pink one.
Let's try the pink one. We just want to see, because it looks so small. It looks perfect for a child's head. We just want to see how it fits.
Is it good?
It's supposed to be a shower cap. So when you get in the tub, this is to help you so we won't wet our hair. That's what shower caps are for. Is your hair under? Oh, here we go. Almost. Kind of. Is that cool?
Yeah.
You can also wear this to sleep.
To sleep.
Yeah, to sleep. Let's see what you look like. You want to take it off or keep it on?
Keep it on.
Okay, so we have two of those. They came two a pack. I believe they were like, what, $1.99? We can take it off. Next thing.
Next.
We got some of our favorites. What are these?
These.
They're hair bows. There's a lot of different names out there for them.
More bees.
Well, we got a lot of them. They were actually buy one, get one free at our local beauty supply store. So I kind of just stocked up on them. I'll take them. And we also stocked up on some of the hair bows that she has in now. The Joy brand hair accessories. You like your hair bows, right?
Yeah. And it comes with two pumps.
And I like doing colors, but I know for school, just for the sake of it matching with her uniform, I just like to do white and clear.
Mommy, let me get off.
Well, I was going to get it for you and hand it to you. It's your video. I'll just hand it to you. Okay, so next up
is these.
Those are called rubber bands.
Rubber bands.
These were $5 for $1. Couldn't beat that.
Rubber bands.
Yep. Just take those back. And this, I'm not sure if I want to use this on her hair, but you remember what we call this?
Yeah.
What is it?
Lotion.
No, not quite. It is gorilla snot. Ugh.
Gorilla
It's supposed to be
snot.
like a, I guess, an edge. Let's see exactly what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like an edge control. Yeah, like a hair. It's a hair gel.
Mommy, can we open
I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it on her hair. I don't know. But it was 89 cents, which is why I got
Mommy,
it.
what's
Let's
my
not
hair?
open the gorilla snot.
Mommy, I don't want to change your
And
hair.
then,
Mommy, I want to change your hair.
you want to change your hair already? We just did it. Let's show these items. Do you remember what those are called?
Lotion.
Hair lotion
And spray.
and spray. By who? Lotta Body, right?
Yeah.
And they smell so good. So I love buying this brand, especially for her hair. They smell really nice and they work really well on her
Mommy,
soft
we
and
got
curly hair texture.
we got another monkey one.
No, we only have one gorilla snot, Camille. We also bought a brush. These things are like what? 50 cent? Or yeah, like two for $1 or 99 cents.
All
Something
of
cheap.
these are
But we
yellow.
definitely racked up on the hair bows. Because buy one, get one free. You can't really beat that. Buy one, get one free for 99 cents.
So definitely are yellow.
And last but not least, let's show this.
This is
That's a hair oil. Wild
hair-
growth. That's my first time buying
Hair
that.
oil for daddy.
Oh, it's for daddy. Yes, we do want to try it on daddy's hair. But should we try this on our hair too?
No.
Your hair and my hair? No? Don't take that off. We don't want to take that off. We don't want the oil to fall out.
Mommy, we need to put it on daddy hair.
Okay, we'll try and put on daddy hair in a second. Don't put it in your mouth. Well, yeah, Wild Growth. Let us know what you guys think about this product. We want to give it a shot. I didn't put it on her hair, and I haven't used it on mine. I just bought it, so we'll see. Hopefully it works for everyone in the house. All right, say that's all we got, guys.
Oh, we got, guys.
Look at the camera. You talking to the camera. Say, all right, now you want to spin. Say thumbs up this video.
Thumbs up this video.
Are you going to say like, comment, and subscribe?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye. That's the way to the camera and say bye.
Bye, camera.
No, you're supposed to say bye, guys. Yeah, you going to wave and say bye, Camille?